Hi, I'm Max DeWeese. I'm a security design engineer at Analog Devices. I'm here at CES to talk about our secure IoT stack. We have a host processor, a sensor, and a hardware root of trust system where we have end-to-end security. So what we're doing is we're collecting sensor data and we're using that hardware root of trust to provide an identity to secure the connection to the cloud and to sign the data. So what we have is 3 boards that are live streaming, and I have up here our display. So this is the sensor data itself, and what we're showing along with the data is that the cloud is actually able to validate it as it streams in real time. The hardware root of trust is providing an identity that otherwise would have to just be assigned to the device. So when you have a lot of different devices, it poses a significant challenge because you have to generate the identity, you have to get it on the device, you have to maintain a database of all of that, and then when the devices are deployed, you have to worry about protecting that identity. If it's stolen, the identity is gone. With the hardware root of trust, we avoid all that because it's an output of the silicon manufacturing process. When the device is created, it inherently has that identity, which is intrinsic to the hardware. So the devices are manufactured identically, but they have a unique per-device identity. We're using that to stream the data, to sign, as we talked about, and we're also using it to secure the communication to the cloud. The third thing we're doing is what we call attestation. It's independent checks of the system in addition to the data itself. So on the screen here, this device is streaming and all of its attestation is checking out just fine. This other device that I have on the table here, I've tampered with and I've changed the application. So let me switch over to that one. And what you'll see is one of these attestation values has now gone false. It's now no longer valid. And so the data itself is probably fine. The signature check is being validated, but the attestation is not. And so what we're doing is we're allowing the customer to make intelligent decisions about what to do with that data. Sometimes they can still trust it, sometimes they don't want to anymore. And so we can set up a policy engine for them to decide what to do with that data. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to analog.com.